first of all, I just wanted to know, how do you feel about your new house?
Very, very good. And I mean, it's a good experience. The house is great and very luxurious, spacious.
I would say, actually, to be honest, it's not easy to find a house like this. Just take my word, because I see homes every day, right? And we've been through so many homes
Yeah,
at the
yeah,
same time.
yes,
Right?
I
We're
agree.
running from Burlington to Whitby all the way, and we've hardly seen homes like these. It's just a matter of, like, right now we're kind of going through the changeover. Once these people are out, you guys come in, you will see the difference.
Yeah, you're
Because
right. And then especially this kind of cathedral ceiling, I think we have. I mean, we've seen a few houses with you. This is the first one.
this is
Well,
the
yeah,
only one
This
we
is the
saw.
only one
Only
we
one we
liked,
saw,
and after
only
that we
option
never
we had,
liked
yeah,
anything else,
exactly.
yeah.
And good thing is we are sitting at the best place of the house.
But this is the best place, and once you have lights, and if you come during the day, it will be really beautiful.
Yeah.
Right. Today
Oh.
is not so bright.
Yeah, that's fine. Now, the other thing I wanted to check was, I know you guys were kind of looking at different options when you started the process, and we had a few conversations
Yes.
before you decided to work with us, right? What made you come up to a decision saying, okay, you want to work with us?
Okay.
Do you want to give the answer?
Yeah, definitely.
He's the one who was in touch with
I was
me.
on actually. So more than anything, I interviewed him a lot. He was feeling. He must have been feeling like, you know, why is this guy asking so many questions? But I really had like different experiences with different people. But the kind of discussion I had with you, and the very first house when we saw with you, so you were able to provide all the details in the house of this house is this much old, and this space can be utilized this, and this is how you can use it, and all those kind of things which you gave me, and it gave me some confidence, like not only you know the area, you know the things you're talking about, houses also. And then when we were talking about, and I remember I promptly asked you, man, I don't need to be, I don't want to be in a contract where I am not getting the right service and I'm stuck to it. And then the thing you told me, I think, and it just cut the deal for me, at least at that time. He told me, if you don't like it, I'm going to give you in return, you can be out of your contract the very single day. So okay, if you are so much confident about your services, I might as well go with you. And that's it.
Oh, okay, that's
And
great.
and I remember the first conversation what we had. You were very detailed about everything. So what we like we both liked about you, the way you explain things. So it was very good. See, for the first time home buyer, if you ask me go and look at the house, like we have experiences. We went with brokers. What they did, they were standing near the gate. Like, oh, go and look at the house. You will really not be able to make out what you are looking at, right? Unless someone explains you, okay, this is something new, this is old, okay, this loading is like this is expensive, this is cheaper. So those kind of differences you'll
Yeah,
not
because
know.
those details
Unless
actually
somebody
matter.
tells you,
Exactly.
right? So
Those
you
things
are
matter a
very.
lot.
Yeah.
And the second thing I liked about you, you are never annoyed with simplest questions also. You are all the time very ready to answer. That thing I like.
Yeah, I don't know if I think I mentioned it to you, right? I teach as well, so I teach with colleges. So that kind of, I think, I have that habit. Anything comes my way, I have to kind of explain it back. So I think that
Yeah.
has kind of helped me to kind of.
And each
build that
time
up
the
as well.
same detailed way, like you don't feel like, oh, yesterday I explained the same thing, why again? So that thing is
Oh,
what.
that's part of the job, and I completely understand. Right, you guys are new to the process, so it kind of first time.
But
it does
not
take
everybody
time.
does it. Not everybody does that. Takes that pain to explain whatever the person has. So they might explain in a single line. Okay, yeah, you could do it, but nobody gives
Goes through the details.
details. Of
Yeah, because details matter, to be honest.
Details
a lot of
matter.
times, yeah, people
Because
will say
a
yes, you
person-
can do a separate
Yeah.
entrance. How? Right? Because that how might cost you a lot, so you
Agreed.
need to kind of go through those.
Right.
Exactly, that's great. Because that was one of the things we really wanted to kind of know as well. Because I know Hitesh was kind of a lot of back and forth. He was hesitant. He wanted to know, okay, what will I get? Will I get trapped? Will I get stuck? So I wanted to make sure I go through that.
No, I had a weird experience with another person. I told you about.
Yeah, you mentioned.
Right, and then I thought, if I am going into a contract and I'm not getting the right service, I was very much aggressive. You must have noticed by then, after we signed the contract. I was very much aggressive in finding a house, and I had like this December as my deadline. I wanted to move in somewhere before December, and if my contract says till December and I'm not getting the right service, my whole deadline is gone. Now I have to look for a house in when the contract is ended, probably with you.
Yeah, I understand, but it's tough, right? If you're stuck, then you don't know what to do.
Yes.
That's where it kind of becomes a little bit trickier. But in terms of the service, right, and the whole process, right, when we started and by the time when we went through a few properties, we bid for those and then bid for this one, got this one. What do you feel about the whole process?
I think process definitely so stressful. But since you were there to guide and you were there to help us, I think that's what kept us going. There were actually situations where and me and she was talking and said, "Oh man, we don't want this house. It's just too much stressful. Maybe we can go for a different one." But then this is the reality of today's market, and this is the reality of every other house also. So process itself is stressful, but with you, you were able to help us in
Yes,
moving forward.
I agree.
Oh, okay, amazing. Thank you
On
so
that day of
much.
And this is like,
Yes.
this is not a made up thing. This is a compliment.
Yeah, because one of the things that we expect is like, okay, would you feel like, okay, we were being honest with our process, right? Because we want to make sure we're being honest with our process and making sure, like, when I tell you the price of the house, I tell you the features, I tell you if this house is worth that, you should have that level of confidence, right? And be able to. Do you feel like you felt like, okay, when we were giving you the feedback and the advice, you could rely on it and be confident about it?
And one more thing what I wanted to mention explicitly without you asking me. So you never minded, like if we call you to Whitby, you came to Whitby. If we call me to Oshawa, you came to Oshawa. You never said it's too far for me.
I
you know.
committed that to him,
Yes.
so I had to.
Like you are moving me crazily here and there, and I don't even know which area because we really didn't know which area we would finalize
Which
at that
is
time.
understandable, and we had that conversation. I told him that, you
So-
know what, if I'm committing you that you tell me you have to find in Burlington or you have to go to Ajax and Whitby, you don't have to worry about it. Either I will arrange or I will come, right? I prefer to come myself because I can't rely on others and won't be confident about, okay, what other person will, how he will cater you. But then if I can, I will definitely come, right? That's what I promise.
Yes, so that is one thing which we really like, because most of the brokers they'll be like, okay, I'm looking into Oakville, I'll be
They
sticking
try to
here.
focus in.
Yeah,
India,
because
not
nobody
the
nobody wants to go to a customer. You're never sure when the customer is going to buy, right? You were never
Exactly.
sure how long we would take to buy, and it is a tedious process back and forth.
It is.
You go here, then one day you travel 60 kilometers, other day you travel 80 kilometers, and you don't even know when your customer is going to buy. So that is something you did really amazingly, and it was really nice.
And this